In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Docs offline. This is a handy feature for anyone who might find themselves without internet access, but still needs to work on documents. Perhaps you're traveling or facing an internet outage, and having access to your files offline can be a lifesaver. Let's make sure you're prepared for any situation with these simple steps. First up, while you're still connected to the internet, you'll need to enable offline sync in Google Drive. Head over to drive.google.com/drive settings. Once you're on the settings page, you'll find an option that allows you to work offline. Check the box next to the setting that says, "Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline." It's important to have this setting switched on to access your documents without an internet connection, so make sure it's enabled before you lose internet connectivity. Next, let's make sure specific files are accessible offline. This is particularly helpful for documents you know you'll need to work on. Navigate to the file you'd like to use, right-click on it, and toggle on the option that says Available Offline. When you do this, a little check mark will appear next to your file, indicating that it's ready to go offline. This preparation ensures that you won't be caught off guard when you're disconnected and need to access critical documents. Now, when the unexpected happens and you find yourself offline, you can proceed to edit your files without delay. Go ahead and open the Docs or Drive app on your device. Those files that you marked in the previous step will now be available for editing. You can proceed with making any changes you need, just like you would if you were connected to the internet. One of the best parts of this feature is that you don't need to worry about losing your changes. Once you're back online, all the edits you made will automatically sync to the cloud. There's no manual setup or advanced tinkering needed. Google has made it pretty simple to keep your work continuous without unnecessary interruptions. Just ensure that you've marked the right documents for offline access in advance, and you're good to go. By following these steps, you'll always be ready to edit your documents offline whenever necessary. This capability offers flexibility, allowing you to maintain productivity regardless of your internet situation. So go ahead and get set up now, and never let being offline stop you from working with your documents again.